Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. Okay, so if you are starting your own business or you already have your own mobile mechanic business, we have great news for you. We actually have our own store in Amazon. The description will be of the link to the store will be in the video, down below the video. With that being said, anything from diagnosing machines to any of the tools of any of our any of our videos that we use, you can actually literally buy the tools yourself. We have cameras that you put inside your vehicle if you're taking customers around. That's very good for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers too, by the way. We have beginners, we have advanced diagnostic machines, we have inexpensive tools, inexpensive jacks, we have more expensive jacks, more expensive tools, cleaners, everything we use in our business, it's on the website. All you have to do is just click on the link, go in there. You have like 5 to 10 different categories with almost 100 different things you can look at. You can buy it and you'll be using the exact same thing that we use. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any value of this video any shape from away, all you have to do is hit that super thanks button and we take the money. We call it iron sharpening iron. We take the money and put it into an account, and then we turn around and we help the less fortunate who can't afford all the repairs, like single moms, people been in tragic like fires and whatever, and they need their vehicles fixed, or people on fixed incomes, blah, blah, blah. But we use it to help them out the best we can. Also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.